Hi folks, this is Ravish. Hope you are doing well. So today we are kicking off to a series named as Technical Learning Series, where you will be learning concepts on social networking, LinkedIn, applicant tracking system, resume, cover letters, Google Analytics, branding, and much more. So now before laying the foundation of social networking or LinkedIn, it is very important to understand the meaning of social. So social means maintaining relationships. Now it could be in three ways. Number one, social collaboration, where we share information to pool knowledge. Second, external listening, means gathering and interpreting information. Number third, external participation, means providing content to build relationship. Since LinkedIn is available across the globe and it's free and it's extremely powerful, it is considered to be the best platform to build professional social network. The reason that LinkedIn is so powerful, it is not because its member includes 1/3 of all the professional in the world or that all the Fortune 1000 companies are represented, but also the platform is designed to help you to build relationship with your contacts. In the later part of the videos, I will share the numerous features that LinkedIn is offering to its member to help you to interact regularly and meaningfully with their contacts. So let's start the campaign with social selling. Social selling comprises of two words, social and selling. Selling may also refers to marketing yourself in social network. Social selling refers to the building relationship with potential or finding and connecting with potential prospect via social media to increase lead. Now these lead could be in any form: finding job, increasing sales, getting people know, or networking. Whether we like it or not, social selling is happening. It is happening in every industry and in all the corner of the world. Every day, 200 mails flood your prospects' inbox. 90% of those stated that they won't buy from cold calls or any unsolicited email. Thus, new methods such as social selling are proving very effective over traditional methods. 82% of your prospects can be reached socially via online networks, and the same decision maker are using social networking sites such as LinkedIn to research and exchange information on vendors and the products or services. Social selling is currently producing amazing results for B2B companies, professional service provider, effective in finding jobs, marketing and sales professional in every industry in every corner of the world. Understanding social selling 2.0 over sales 1.0 is very important. Social selling 2.0 is all about educating, engagement, and networking. LinkedIn is considered to be the best platform to connect and build relationship all around the world. Most importantly, social selling cultivate one-to-one relationships. Engagement means if two people follow the same sports team, they are more likely to feel a connection. While educating refers to sharing thoughts and experience. Since LinkedIn is extremely powerful, free, and available across the globe, it is often used over Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest, where you can make connection, improve brand awareness, generate leads, foster business relationship, and drive business traffic. The first case study we have is of Carol, who was VP channels for KnowBe4.com. In May 2013, she began a sales job for a security software company and found that email marketing and cold calls were not producing the kind of result she needed. Carol's leads were not highly targeted and qualified since they were non-paid organic searches or incomplete and inaccurate lists. Carol need a way to eliminate wasted time and resources, and number second, increase their connection to high-level decision makers. Carol found that LinkedIn proved to be much more effective and time-efficient method for generating leads. Carol took the LinkedIn Profit Formula course. She then updated her LinkedIn profile so that it was professional and search-friendly. She replaced the Google searches she had used in the past with LinkedIn searches to research companies, people, and group. Carol focused on executive in her target audience and created her own list of people to contact. To build her connection request, she used the relevant information she found on their LinkedIn profile as well as the information she gleaned from web searches and companies' website. Once she had a core list of 30 to 40 companies, including the name of the various executives, she started sending the connection request to followed up each request with a phone call. If the connection request was not accepted within 48 to 72 hours, she would send another modified connection request with again followed up with a phone call. When the request was accepted, she added them to Yes list. She would then email them directly and call to set up the information call. Using this method, she has research time for lead in half and generated a much more targeted result producing lead list. A week after beginning, she received 15% response rate. After 2 weeks, she had 10 A lead with C-level executive who were willing to have a brief conversation with her. One of the lead turned out to be outstanding. When she called the CEO, the VP picked up the phone and said, "Hi Carol." That one lead even asked Carol to introduce her company's product to their association of similar companies with 120 members. All of these companies were the part of the target audience and potentially were thousands of dollars in initial purchase and a recurring revenue stream of years to come. Carol pipeline has increased by 25% because of LinkedIn allow her to connect directly with the executive level of the target audience faster and easier than any other prospecting tool she had used. And after, because of these leads were already to the C level, it also cut to the closing time in half. The second case study of social selling here we're going to discuss is of Jill Rowley, formerly of Oracle. Oracle is a company that has recognized the power of social selling and has begun training their more than 23,000 sales professionals to use social selling. Jill Rowley took on the challenge of training the sales team. Set with the task of training 23,000 Oracle sales professionals around the world on how to social sell, Jill was faced with no budget, no staff, and a company that is deeply rooted in using old sales technique. Her first and possibly most difficult challenge was to ensure that sales professionals understood the challenge that had taken place in B2B buyers and buying process. Buyers today are very difficult than they were 10 years ago. She needed to teach the Oracle sales professional to stop selling and start serving. In order to be successful, Jill helped them to understand that today's buyers are mobile, digitally driven, and socially connected with the ability to access real-time information to educate themselves about any given product. Jill explained how the sales professional could use their social network to do research, to network, to share useful content and build relationship. The sales professional realized they need to use the social network to earn the buyer's trust, regardless of whether the buyer purchased from the salesperson or not. In this way, she helped the Oracle sales professional deepen their relationship with their customer, partner, and other stakeholders, leading to the higher wallet shares and higher revenue for the company. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you understand the power of social selling. If you do like the video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends and colleagues. And the next video will be going to be on LinkedIn. So till then, please take care. Thank you.